First of all, thank you for giving opportunity to present our paper on an effective convolution neural network method using multi-support vector machine process for brain tumor segmentation and detection from MR images. Myself Dinesh from Annamacharya Institute of Technology and Sciences, and going to the contents of this topic. The contents are the abstract of this method, introduction, proposed method, methodology we are using, block diagram, and finally conclusion and references of this presentation. Now going to the abstract of this paper, among the currently proposed brain segmentation methods, methods based on traditional image processing and machine learning are not ideal enough. Therefore, deep learning based brain segmentation methods are widely used. In the brain tumor segmentation method, based on deep learning, the convolution neural network model has a good brain segmentation effect. The convolution network model has the problems of large number of parameters and large loss of information in the encoding and decoding process. This paper proposes a convolution neural network fusion with multi-support vector machine algorithm. This proposed brain tumor segmentation model is mainly divided into three stages. The first stage, a convolution neural network is trained to learn the mapping from the image space to tumor marker space. In the second stage, the prediction labels obtained from the convolution neural network training are input to the integrated support vector machine classifier together with the test images. In the third stage, a convolution neural network and the integrated support vector machine are connected in series to train a deep classifier and run each model on the BRATS dataset and a self-made dataset to segment brain tumors. The segmentation results show that the performance of the proposed method is significantly better than the convolution neural network. Now, coming to the introduction of this paper, uh, manual segmentation, which is under the human supervision, is often based on the brightness of the image observed by human eye for area segmentation, which can be easily affected by quality of image generation. So in clinical practice, a fully automated segmentation with good segmentation accuracy is needed. In our method, we will be using MRI scan as an inputs for effective prediction, and tumor segmentation is one of the most difficult tasks in medical images. Tumor may grow from neuroma, glioma, or other regions. In present days, computer-aided diagnosis technologies based on image learning and deep learning using various algorithms can develop fully automated segmentation with good accuracy. Here we can see the image from the MRI dataset, which is the input for our method. Now coming to the proposed method, as we have discussed in the abstract of this topic, brain tumor segmentation methods can be roughly divided into three categories based on traditional image algorithms, based on machine learning, and based on deep learning. In recent years, deep learning has become the method of choice for complex tasks due to its high efficiency. The convolution neural network proposed has made a tremendous progress in the field of image processing. Therefore, the segmentation method based on convolution neural network is widely used in lung nodules segmentation, retinal segmentation, liver cancer segmentation, and glioma segmentation. Our proposed method use multi-SVM algorithm for better classification. Now, going to the methodologies, the first method is MRI dataset, where the image of MRI images are collected. These will be fetched for processing in further steps. Now, in pre-processing step, we have to uh, decrease the complexity of analyzation or processing. So we will be filtering the image and its intensity will be normalized based on the neighbor values. And after the pre-processing, we can decrease the complex processing in further CNN classification. And then we will be having a patch extraction block The filtered image is subjected to patch extraction, where image is subdivided to obtain separation between channels. In this process, the image is followed through patch attainment, which again subdivide each separated channels based on red, green, and blue channel values. As we can see, the patch extracted images has been divided into 4 blocks, and from each of them we will be extracting red channelized images, green channelized images, and blue channelized images. And after patch extraction, we will be entering into future extraction step. In future extraction, we will be developing a binary image, since we can process the data which are in binary format. So we will be using local binary patterns or LBB method for effective extraction to convert binary image. Now, the convolution neural network, also known as CNN, is the class of neural network that specializes in processing data that has grid-like topology, such as an image. It is used in image recognition for processing. It flattens the image after getting fully connected output, as shown in this figure. The output after getting fully connected will be given to the SVM algorithm for effective prediction. Coming to support vector machine algorithm, we will be using multi support vector machine algorithm, which classification is based on the iterations of the classifier from CNN. Now, the SVM is one of the most popular supervised learning algorithms, which is used for regressions and other methods also. The goal of the SVM algorithm is to create the best line or decision boundary that can segregate n-plane dimension space into classes, so that we easily put the new data point in the correct category in the future. This best decision boundary is called a hyperplane. Now, SVM chooses the extreme points or vectors that help in creating the hyperplane. These extreme cases are called the support vectors, and Hill's algorithm is termed as support vector machine. Consider the below diagram, in which there are two different categories that are classified using a decision boundary or hyperplane. As we can see in this, this is the hyperplane, and we can see the positive hyperplane and negative hyperplane regions. The line of boundary will decide the prediction efficiency, and in our method we will be iterating the classification process so that the prediction efficiency can be improved. Now, in block diagram, all the above methods which are discussed are formed into a single block as shown. Now, MRI dataset, which contains the collection of MRI images, and image acquisition where pixel values are read, and then pre-processing. The steps involved in this block are image intensity normalization and image filtering, then patch extraction, where image is subdivided and channels are formed, and based on RGB values, each channel will be separated. And then the further process include future extraction. In here we will be using local binary pattern method, where image is converted into binary format, and this binary extracted image will be given to CNN classification. And after forming fully connected output, we will be giving the CNN classifier input to the SVM classification for better prediction, and SVM forms a best line of decision to predict the models, and final prediction will be based on the SVM output. This is about the block diagram. And coming to the conclusion of the topic, the diagnosis of brain diseases require diagnosis without deviation. Any misdiagnosis will cause losses. The incidence of brain tumor in brain diseases has been high, and the number of patients has increased year by year. So this method of segmentation result in effective prediction based on convolution neural network and multi-support vector machine algorithm. And coming to references, you can note them for further information. And thank you for listening patiently. Have a great day.